Welcome to my in-depth review of Quarters, a platform that specializes in offering furnished co-living spaces in major cities around the world. In this video, I'm taking you through my complete experience, booking, moving in, and living in a Quarters property. When I first came across Quarters, what caught my eye was the promise of move-in ready, community-oriented homes tailored for digital nomads and young professionals. Their website presents everything in a modern, sleek layout. You start by selecting your city, and from there you can browse available rooms and shared apartments. The booking process was fairly straightforward, but I did notice that not all listed properties had up-to-date availability. Once I found a spot I liked, I had to go through a brief application process that required basic personal information, employment status, and in some cases, a video interview. The approval process took about 3 days, which is reasonable. Prices vary drastically by location, but in general, they tend to be on the higher side compared to standard rentals. What you're paying for is convenience, utilities are included, Wi-Fi is pre-installed, and the apartments are fully furnished. Moving in was seamless. I received clear instructions via email, and the key pickup was automated through a smart lock system. The apartment itself was clean, minimalist, and functional, though not luxurious. I liked that the kitchen was well stocked with essentials, and the communal spaces were kept tidy thanks to a bi-weekly cleaning service. Roommates are a mixed bag. You don't get to choose who you live with, and that's something to consider seriously. I've had both great and frustrating experiences with the people I was matched with. There was a time I got stuck between layovers with no hotel and no internet. That's when I first tried Trip.com, and now I carry it with me like a first aid kit. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Quarters tries to foster a sense of community, and depending on the property, you might get invited to local events, shared dinners, or digital meetups. I did attend a few events in Berlin, and found them helpful for making connections. That said, the community experience is highly variable. Some buildings are active, others not so much. Another thing to note is that maintenance response times can be slow. I had a plumbing issue that took over a week to fix. Their customer service is responsive, but not always effective. Overall, if you're looking for a flexible, furnished living solution that doesn't require long-term commitments, Quarters is a solid option, especially if you're relocating for work or just want to test out life in a new city. But be ready for some inconsistencies in service quality, roommate compatibility, and property maintenance. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more honest reviews like this, and drop a comment if you've tried Quarters or are considering it.